So it's Flip-thru Friday, and I know it's been a minute, right? But you guys, I finally got the Happy Planner Fall Harvest sticker book. And you can actually find this sticker book at Michael's or Joann's, or you can go ahead and order this from the Happy Planner website. But this clearly is a popular sticker book because they were sold out on the Happy Planner website. And my local Michael's and Joann's did not have it in stock, or they probably sold out as well. But I finally found this sticker book at Michael's while I was away on vacation during all the Thanksgiving holidays. And so I was really excited that I found this at their local Michael's where I was vacationing. And this sticker book is a 30-page sticker book, and it has 718 pieces. And I'm super excited, y'all, to have Flip-thru Fridays back here on my channel. And so I'm going to be flipping through this because I like to show you guys what is all in these sticker books. I do not only buy and purchase Happy Planner sticker books, but I also purchase other sticker books as well. But to be honest, I haven't been buying a lot of sticker books lately, and so that's another reason why I have not been doing Flip-thru Fridays here on my channel. But here we are, and we're going to flip through this sticker book. Now again, like I said, this sticker book is going to come with 718 pieces. I did flip through it quickly before I started this video, and I realized that it has paperback stickers as well as clear stickers, but they are great to use in any type of planner. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first page, we're going to have like these little copper foil decorative stickers. It says surround yourself with beauty, nice fall wintry type vibe stickers. And then you have pumpkin spice and all things nice. It is so cute. Then you have fall in love with today. Joy is the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. So cute. And then these are paperback stickers. And then you get some more decorative stickers. You get some boxes decorated, and then you have some that are also decorated as well as nice cute little quotes. This one says, it's up to you to see the beauty of everyday things. And then this one says, time for adventure. Hello, beautiful day. And then you also have some of these cute foil, I think these are gold boxes here. I love using these in my planners. I think they're a really, really cute addition to your spreads. And then you'll get some more of these boxes here. These, I like to call these the monthly stickers, and you can tell that these are monthly stickers because they have these little cutouts here, and this is obviously for where if you want to put this in your monthly planner, this will be able to help you see the date in your monthly planner, as well as giving you these little cute decorative elements. Then you have some of these boxes here. These are great. I normally use this either in my horizontal planner as well as my dashboard layout. They tie in very well with these, so I do love these type stickers here. And then you have some checklists here. Then you get some more. Like I said, I love this sticker book because it's giving me the fall vibes, but also fall and winter type vibes. And even though fall is almost gone, we're getting into winter, it definitely still gives me those winter vibes. And so I think I can still use these in my spreads for my upcoming 2023 planner lineup. When I do my spreads, it'll still tie in very well. And so you get live in the sunshine and dance in the rain. And I just love these like little watercolor type artwork here, like little mountains. And these I think could also be like little washi strips that you can use in your planners to give your planner a little pizzazz. And then you have some more of these boxes. Again, like I said, definitely winter and fall type vibes, but more for me winter vibes. And then you get some of these watercolor boxes here. You get some bigger boxes and then smaller ones at the bottom. Oh, and then I love these little like paintbrush watercolor type marks. These are great because I use these sometimes in my planners, either to kind of overlay over other decorative stickers or boxes, or also just kind of writing in them. And that's what I like about these stickers, because on these paperback stickers, you're able to write on them as well. And then you get some of these watercolor painting stickers. And these are great too, because at times I do like to do like little scenic, little focal points in my planners. And these are great to add to them as well, just to kind of give it a little decorative element either in my planner, my horizontal, especially in my dashboard layout. Then you get some colorful boxes with some floral details on there. This says today's plans here, and then you have important at the bottom. You get some more here. And so far these are all paperback stickers. And I'm just loving the colors of them. Definitely fall and winter type colors. And then this one is like copper foil. Looks more copper to me. But then you have some that has like the little foil accents in the little floral leaf here. Then you have some boxes that have foil in there. Really, really cute. And then you have some foil circle dots. Definitely great to just kind of add to your planners to create your own little checklist boxes. Then you get some floral washi strips in the different colors here. And then you get some shorter washi strips as well. And then some floral washi strips at the very top. All right, and I love these. These are layered boxes. They're already like prefixed to layer. And so I love these boxes because they already have where you can have a little decorative element in the back, and then you can write down maybe your top 3 priorities that you want to do, top 3 tasks that you want to achieve for the week, or just some things important that you want to remember. You definitely can use them here. And let me show you what it looks like when you take it out and put it into your planner. And it comes out, look, just like that. I like it, already done for you. But of course, you can also create your own type of layered boxes by taking decorative boxes and then adding in those colorful boxes that I showed you before, and then overlaying them on top of the decorative boxes. So, and then next you get some, this says get it done, and you have it in different colors here. This one says plans, priority, today, don't forget, reminder, and important. So of course you can definitely use these stickers and maybe overlay it on top of the colorful boxes or the decorative boxes, layered boxes, so that way you know what these are. If there's something that you don't want to forget, so you can definitely list them here and place a sticker on top. All right, next up we get some colorful boxes, or colorful boxes and shapes. Here I love these as well. And then you get some seasonal stickers. These are cute. This is more like a, it's not a silver, maybe like a champagne kind of foil. I don't know, but it looks a little grayish silvery, but it has like an extra little color to it. So it could be like a champagne color foil on there. And then you get some of more seasonal stickers here. Love all the little decorative elements and the icons and the quotes. Definitely love those. And then you get shopping list to prepare, and then you get a extra colorful box here. It says I'm thankful for. And then you get some to do stickers here along the side. All right, so now these are clear stickers with foil on there. It says today. Let's see if I can get the lighting. All right, there we go. It says today in like that copper foil. I love this rich copper. And then it says reminder, important, celebrate, priority, weekend plans, in that copper foil. So these are also clear stickers. It is in that fall harvest floral. I think it's really, really cute. Cute little pumpkins there. Then you get some more of these florals and pumpkins and leaves. These are also clear stickers. And I love these as well because these are either great in your monthly and any type of planner. But I love to put these in the corners of special days to kind of, you know, draw attention to that day, or even like in the corners of my spreads. And I think this actually will go well with any type of layout because you have like the little borders you can add. You can actually put these above or on the corners of colorful boxes. I think they will go great with some of these stickers. So I love that. Ooh, look at this. Love this watercolor paintings of the scenic area, and then you also have watercolor animals. Really great. Really love that. And that's also clear stickers. These are also, yep, these are also clear stickers. And then some of them says sweater weather, I love fall. Sweater weather, I love fall. It says love this day, see the beauty. You also get that over here as well in this pretty dark blue, navy blue color. It says so thankful, season's greeting, warm wishes, so much fun. Get that there. And then you get some more decorative stickers. These are also clear stickers as well. Great for layering either on boxes or doing things in clusters. I do like to also do cluster with my stickers, which means just kind of putting a bunch of stickers together just to make it look as one cohesive sticker. Fall type, wintry type vibe stickers. It says sweater weather, nice and cozy, cuddle up, warm wishes. Really cute. And then you get some of these copper foil quotes here, as well as some decorative stickers too. Really cute. And then these are also stickers as well, just like little sparkly little elements that you can kind of put there, but it looks like little stars. Definitely can add those to your colorful boxes, on top of quotes, those type of stuff. And then you get some more of these quotes too. It says, have a thankful heart, time for adventure, keep warm and snuggle up, thankful, grateful, and blessed, heart of gratitude. And that is it for the Fall Harvest Sticker Book by the Happy Planner. Again, you guys, I enjoy doing flip-throughs here on my channel, and I absolutely love it. But again, like I said, I have not been buying a lot of sticker books lately, or even planners. And so that's one of the reasons why I felt like Flip-thru Fridays has kind of like simmered down a little bit, but I'm super excited to start bringing this back. I hope you guys enjoy the sticker book flip through, because you will see another Flip-thru Friday sticker book of some more sticker books that I purchased while I was on vacation. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that like button, as well as if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more from my tea party. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.